If you see a not optimum mode error on your Samsung monitor, it means your computer is sending a resolution or refresh rate the monitor can't properly display. The good news is this is usually a settings mismatch and can be fixed in just a few minutes. Start by checking the basics. Make sure your HDMI or DisplayPort cable is firmly connected and not damaged, and confirm the monitor is set to the correct input source. Next, open your computer's display settings. On Windows, right-click the desktop and choose Display Settings. On macOS, go to System Settings, then Displays. Set the resolution to your monitor's native resolution, which for most Samsung monitors is 1920 times 1080 at 60 Hz. If the error remains outdated or buggy graphics drivers are a very common cause, update them from NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel. In some cases, rolling back a recent driver update also fixes the issue. If needed, try a different cable type like switching from HDMI to DisplayPort. For stubborn cases, reset the monitor to factory defaults, disable GPU scaling in the NVIDIA control panel, and turn off fast startup in Windows. Finally, test the monitor with another device to confirm whether the issue is with the computer or the monitor itself.